Hey, what's going on? My name is Patrick. This is my car, and this also isn't where I normally film any of my content, other than when it's related to the car. You can just scroll down and see the other videos that had to do with the car. But anyway, how y'all doing? What's going on? This is the first newly recorded video for the year of 2022, and I'm in a parking lot. It's not where I wanted to be. For some reason, the place where I wanted to be, my occupation, seemed to be full of people wanting to use their vehicles and drive around and be looking in other people's cars. So I had to go out to another parking lot to be awkward. Like, I feel like everybody can see you. Like, every one of these cars are looking at you. I decided to take a lunch break and try to figure out the next route for certain things for the channel. You'll never know it. Like as if I have this all planned out, right? I did 18 videos in the year of 2021. Oh, I think I just saw a bird murder. Oh no. What do? Do I leave? Oh, I gotta hurry up and leave. So, the purpose of this journey, I called you all here today so you could watch me talk to you for a short period of time. I'm gonna go on a hunt for those Ninja Turtles 2-packs. Today is January 21st. Have no idea when this is going out, like everything else on this channel. So I'm just gonna talk every time I get to a stop. I got 2 stores to go to. I'll just stop at those places. Lips feel kind of dry. I just going out on a trip. Uh-oh, I think they heard. Take a look, see if I can find these things, and then each stop I'll just update you guys. All right, let me drive before I look any more awkward. All right, restore everything, go back to normal. I'm out. I don't need to be here no more. Oh, okay. Empty-handed. To continue on my journey and this video, yeah, this is a mobile one. It's been a real busy start to the year. So that's kind of helped to not being able to do much in terms of videos. So I'm gonna be editing this one. Oh man, I got a car going this way and I got a guy walking up this way. So now it's about to get weird. He's just gonna be looking at my car and I gotta pretend to drink water so I don't look like I'm recording myself. Hey, what's going on? Kind of been a busy year, so that's gonna hinder some of the recording and editing. I gotta work on it. See if I can put this stuff down to a schedule so I can work directly on what I need to get done. There's somebody everywhere just looking in the vehicle. On to the next spot. Still looking for these bros. Recently just did a pod, or it's not really a pod, but just did a live with Hey Archer, Steve Archer on Nerd Affiliated. Please go watch over there. It was a great experience. I appreciate if you're watching this, having me on. I learned a lot. I realized how ashy my webcam is. I really got to work on that. So I went back and watched a few of his videos, which taught me more about the software that's used and the hardware that's needed to run not only just a live or a stream, but to just better your equipment. I'll work on those things. I'll also link to his stuff on his channel so that you can learn and understand for yourself. Hopefully I'll be able to get him on so that you guys can get more affiliated with him. You see what I did there? So I gotta go. Been recording for 2:30. Time to get out of here. On to the next spot. And yo, this new hair product, it looks pretty good. I need to get a fade and the tape and everything, but it looks pretty good.
I hate it when people park right next to me. And there's so much other space out there. Just park right in front of me.
Fail. Big fail. Last store for the day. I don't have that much time on my lunch, so I'll just end the search here. Dang, this Walmart. You should just see the way people drive. They drive like this is Grand Theft Auto. A few more things to just cover up before I finally drive safely home, hopefully, safely back to work. For any of you content creators who are watching this current video, thank you for watching, first of all. One thing to ask, any of y'all just record something and you were just like, nah? That's how I'm in this video, because I recorded stuff earlier in the year and I just didn't feel like it fit anymore. Just something I realized, so I'm here now just redoing the video in a more casual setting, a little bit away from what I did before. We'll see what happens. What else? New stuff on the website. I do have the Thrifty on the website. I actually sold some of the stuff in between the time of me actually activating that tab, now announcing it. So like 3-4 items are already gone. I'll just update it. It should be updated by now. More dials are coming. Like I've said before, I enjoyed it so much that for me to go ahead and just quit right there wouldn't make any sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on more dials. I think that's about it. I'll end it here. If I think of something else, this video is just mad fluid, so you might just see me pop on at the end. So I'll end it here, and in case I add something on the end, I would have cut this part off. So yeah, I'll be easy. If you're watching this is actually the end. Be safe, and that's it. See you in the next video. Hopefully it's a little more seasoned than this, a little less white meat, a little more dark meat, and that's it. Peace.